Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at Arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. We do have a few more days of the mild weather before our strong cold front gets here, and we're still looking at that potential to see maybe some freezing rain leading to some ice across the northern Arklatex and maybe even a little bit of snow as well. But for your Tuesday here, starting out with cool temperatures in the 50s this morning, and should be similar to yesterday, and that will have that slight chance of rain this afternoon and highs likely in the upper 60s again today. But yesterday morning still pretty cold. This morning not as cold, as most of us are in the 40s and low 50s, and your highs this afternoon will wind up in the mid to upper 60s. Had a few locations reach 70 yesterday, and that's possible again today, but I do think we'll see a few more clouds kind of mixed into the weather pattern today. You can see there's a little disturbance that is down here south of Interstate 20, kind of making its way along the coastline. We do have a little bit of rain popping up across the southern half of the Arklatex this morning, and we expect a few more of those showers to kind of pop up as we continue through the day. So taking a look, this is the HRRR model. This is the one that updates every hour, and it is showing some of those scattered showers popping up mainly during the afternoon today. So once we start to warm up, it will kind of be one of those triggers for some of those scattered showers and possibly an isolated thunderstorm or two today as well. But it looks like most of the rain after the noon hour today. We'll go to your regular kind of Robin's side of Futurecast, our in-house model that we usually show you, and it's also picking up on some of those scattered showers this afternoon. But the bottom line here for Tuesday as well as Wednesday, it will not be a washout, just some scattered showers for the next few days here. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies and temperatures likely in the upper 60s today, maybe low 70s tomorrow. Strong cold front still expected to get here Wednesday night, so after sunset, the rain is going to pick up here in Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and we should see those showers and probably a few thunderstorms into Arkansas and Louisiana early Thursday morning. So it's looking possible. We'll see a good inch or two of rain, and again, the thing that we're watching here behind this front is the temperatures will drop off very quickly, and we expect there will still be some rain across the area. So we do expect some of that rain to maybe change into some freezing rain as well as sleet and snow. And it looks like freezing rain, the area in kind of pink and purple here, that will be the main impact for us along and north of Interstate 30. We go through the day on Thursday, and you can see some of that winter weather continuing maybe even into the afternoon as well. So latest look at Futurecast here, I think it has a pretty good handle on the whole situation here, and that we'll probably see the more significant ice accumulations anywhere from Franklin, Titus, Morris counties up through Red River as well as McCurtain County. We should see some of that cold air spill into Arkansas as well, so it is looking possible we could see some freezing rain along I-30 through Texarkana as well. Shreveport, we're just showing a few 100ths of an inch of ice, which is still enough to be impactful for the roadways, so we will have to keep an eye on the forecast in Shreveport, but it's looking less likely that we would see any significant accumulations as far south as I-20, and Futurecast does show maybe a dusting of snow for most areas, but you can see maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow here across the very farther northern edge of the Arklatex here, and those temperatures will obviously be very cold as we're talking about ice, snow, as well as some sleet. But before the winter weather gets here, we are going to see a pretty good push of rainfall here coming in Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So in a short time period here, most of us will see a good inch or two of rain. So again, there will be some messy roadways out there on Thursday morning. It looks like the roads will probably be the biggest impact here, given that the heaviest ice accumulations will be outside of the Arklatex. We expect our, the power outages that sometimes come with these winter storms be on the low end of the scale, but that's something we'll have to watch for on Thursday morning in addition to some sloppy roadways. But very cold Thursday. We'll have afternoon temperatures in the 30s. We will thaw out Friday, so Friday our temperatures will be back above freezing, and if you remember last year, that was the issue with the snow and ice. Once it fell, we were below freezing for about 3 to 4 days, which is why we were kind of cooped up with last winter's storm. This one doesn't look to be as cold as that last one, as we should warm back above freezing Friday, Saturday, so that should melt off any ice and sleet and snow that accumulates on Thursday, and we head into the weekend, cool weekend, but a dry weekend, eventually back into the 50s next Sunday and Monday.